Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome in my channel Baby Crochet Ideas. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet pearls and tassels ideas. So don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end. These beautiful designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these tassels and pearls designs. So viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these unique ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video you will see different colors, different and decent unique designs of crochet. You can design your dresses with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet pearls and tassels collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet pearls and tassels. You can use these designs if you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas. So like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. These articles used for dresses. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayer. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.